Hello students, from lesson number 8, Robin Hood and the Sheriff, we have completed the word power, the question answers, the true false and all the exercise of that lesson. The next one is grammar in use. There are some questions in grammar. First of all, you read these sentences. First is, the sheriff has been looking for a chance to catch me. Third, I have been living in this house since 1960. So here you see the structure of that tense is subject plus has plus been plus verb की first form के साथ ing and object. Here in this sentence also I is subject, then have, been, living verb की first form के साथ ing and object plus since for. So both the sentence are in the present perfect continuous tense. So here students, the verb in italics, here you see that has been, ये italics में लिखे looking, तो ये present perfect continuous tense के को show करते हैं. तो ये express करते उस action को which took place in the past and may possibly be continuing still. तो जो action है वो past में हो चुका है, लेकिन उसकी possibility ये है कि वो अभी future में भी continue हो सकता है. So that type of sentences we write in the present perfect continuous tense, कि which the action which took place in the past and it may be possibly continuing still, और आगे भी हो सकता है, past में तो हो चुका है. Now in the first sentence means, ये जो पहला sentence था student, the sheriff has been looking for a chance to catch me, तो इसमें ये था sometimes ago the sheriff started looking for a chance to catch me, कि कुछ समय पहले जो शेरिफ था वो मेरे लिए मुझे ढूंढने के लिए चांस ढूंढ रहा था. तो वो उस समय पास्ट से शुरू हुआ एंड वो अभी तक चल रहा है. ही इज स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर अ चांस, वो अभी भी एक चांस जो है वो ढूंढ रहा है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में आई हैव बीन लिविंग इन दिस हाउस सिंस 1960, कि मैंने उस घर में 1960 में रहना शुरू किया था. एंड आई एम स्टिल लिविंग इन इट, और मैं अभी भी वहां रह रहा हूं. तो ये जो काम है वो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ लेकिन वो अभी प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर इन फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. नाउ हियर द यूज ऑफ फॉर एंड सिंस. फॉर और सिंस का यूज हम कैसे करेंगे? सो फॉर इज यूज्ड टू शो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. फॉर का यूज हम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम डिनोट करने के लिए करते हैं, लाइक फॉर 3 years, for 2 hours, such type of. And since is used to show point of time, और जो since होता है वो point of time को show करता है, जैसे 1960 हो गया, 5 years हो गया, 3 from morning हो गया. तो इस टाइप से जो भी टाइम पीरियड रहता है उसको डिनोट करने के लिए हम फॉर और सिंस का यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. Now here some exercises given to us, like now express the meaning of each pair of sentences below in one sentence using the present perfect continuous tense. Here the structure of the tense is given to you, like has, have plus been plus verb then ing. First sentence is, these girls started learning French 3 years ago, कि इन लड़कियों ने जो फ्रेंच है वो सीखना 3 साल पहले शुरू किया था. And the second sentence of that, they continue to learn French, वो अभी भी जो फ्रेंच है वो उसे सीख रही हैं. Now when we join these sentences, when we combine these sentences, the new sentence was, now when we make the sentence become, these girls, we see here that these girls are in plural form, so we use have with it. These girls have been learning French for 3 years. Now the second sentence, Shyam started doing his homework at 7 o'clock. He is still doing it. So the subject of the sentence is Shyam. So Shyam is in singular subject, so we use has. Shyam has been doing his homework since 7 o'clock. Now the third sentence is, it started raining at 5 o'clock yesterday morning. It is still raining. Now here it is in singular, so we use has for it, has with it, like it has been raining since 5 o'clock yesterday morning. Now fourth sentence is, our English teacher started teaching in this school in 1964. He is still teaching here. The sentence become, our English teacher. So this English teacher is in singular subject, so we use has with it. Our English teacher has been teaching in this school since 1964. Fifth, the poor sheriff started waiting for me a long time ago. He is still waiting for me. The poor sheriff is also in singular subject, so we use has is with it. The poor sheriff has been waiting for me for a long time ago. So students, like that you have to complete these sentences and write it in your notebook.